Can I post in live?
Sorry, sorry. Shit.
Okay, now we're going to introduce our band members.
Okay.
On bass, Emmanuel.
Oh.
On drums, Amit. On keyboard, Kasra. On guitars, Kazania.